welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. 大家好，欢迎来到艾琳食艺。Today's dish is Hawaiian Fried Rice. 夏威夷炒饭。We are going to make a bowl out of pineapple and also use the pineapple meat to fry the rice. This dish is really refreshing and the presentation is just exquisite. Let's get started. First step, I'm going to cut the pineapple about 1/3. Okay, like this. Okay. And then take out the pineapple inside. Okay, and we do not want the center of the pineapple, just use the other part of the pineapple. Don't use the center of the pineapple. Okay, and then chop it into small pieces. And then chop the onion. And then chop the garlic. Okay. Chop the scallion. Okay, and then chop the spam. You can also use ham as well. Probably just use half, maybe just 2. Okay, use a wok, turn on the heat to the high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Wait until it's hot. When oil is hot, add chopped onion and the garlic. Stir fry until golden brown. Then add shrimp and spam. Put them in a bowl. Use the same wok. Add the eggs and stir fry it. Then add the overnight rice. Sprinkle some onion salt and add back the fried onion, shrimp mix. Add pineapple, black pepper, soy sauce, chopped scallion. Add 1 teaspoon chicken broth powder. Stir fry to mix all ingredients. Put fried rice into pineapple bowl. Garnish with dry pork and cashews. So this is today's Hawaiian fried rice, 夏威夷炒饭. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time.